In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your chart of accounts list in QuickBooks Online. If you're trying to organize your accounts more efficiently or just want to find specific items faster, QuickBooks Online gives you a few simple tools right inside the chart of accounts page. Once you know where they are, sorting and customizing the list becomes very easy. To get started, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find several settings and shortcuts that help you manage your company setup. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts used in your QuickBooks file. Depending on how many accounts you have, this list can be short and simple or much more detailed, so knowing how to sort it can save you a lot of time. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look at the tools above the table. This area is where you can manage how the list is displayed and how you interact with it. If your goal is to sort the accounts, the quickest method is to click the column headers at the top of the table. For example, you can sort by account name, type, detail type, or other available columns depending on your current view. Clicking a header will usually rearrange the list based on that field, making it easier to scan through your accounts in a logical order. You can also use the search and filter tools above the table to narrow down the list and find specific accounts more quickly. This is especially useful if you already know part of the account name or if you want to focus on only certain types of accounts instead of looking through the entire list. Another helpful option is the small gear icon at the top right of the Chart of Accounts table. Clicking that lets you modify the table by showing or hiding columns, and in some cases adding more columns to the view. This can make the list more useful depending on what information you want to see while sorting. So overall, sorting your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online is really just a matter of opening the list, using the column headers to sort, using the search and filter tools to narrow results, and adjusting the table layout if needed. That's all there is to it.